tall green grass. And I don't understand how all this has come to pass, how we've come to surround ourselves in a sea of thieves, in a land without learning, only the fools believe. I went driving last night on a dark canyon road, had the sky to myself, but I wasn't alone. Had the pain of my lifetime for my company. How did it end up like this for you and me? When love breaks the promise, the hardest to keep, he leaves only truth here to find. When the spirit is crushed and a hurt is so deep between you and I, even when love is come and gone, and our hearts have moved along, I will remember there was a time we had a trust, and that always was enough. I will remember. I will remember you. As I open my eyes to one more day, the wind burns my face as it whispers your name, as it's pulling me forward, it tears me free. When the only thing left is dark tears for you and me. 'Cause when love breaks the promise, the heart has to keep. He leaves only truth
Grazie.
Ora cambiamo genere, ascolteremo un brano tratto da un meraviglioso musical. Si tratta del musical Aida di Elton John, dal quale è tratto il brano I Know the Truth, che ci verrà cantato da Giada Andreazza.